subtraction using expanded form. And the reason why we sometimes use expanded form with subtraction is it just makes it a little bit more digestible for some students who struggle. So here's how this works. If we have 567 minus 242, we're going to break the bottom number into expanded form and then subtract each piece, the 200, the 40, and the 2, from 562. So we start out with 567 minus 200. Okay, we've done that part, and we can subtract the 40. We've done that part, and we can subtract the 2. So our answer is 325. And again, this does take more time, but it's a good way to make sure that students understand the place value and how these are not just individual subtraction problems, 7 minus 2, 6 minus 4, 5 minus 2. And it also helps if they have trouble, if this is a little bit much for them to do, they can do one little piece at a time. Let's try another one. 978 minus 581. Okay, we're going to break the bottom number into expanded form and subtract. And here we're going to have to do some regrouping. So I need to borrow here, so I'm going to borrow 100 from here. So now I have 17 tens. 17 minus 8 is 9. And 3 minus nothing is 3. So here we have 398. So we've done the 100 spot, we've done the 10 spot, and now to the ones. So our answer is 397. We can also use place value blocks to show modeling for subtraction.
How can you subtract 3-digit numbers with place value blocks? Think about this question during the lesson. Use place value to subtract the ones first, the tens next, and then the hundreds. You are subtracting 165 from 237. How many digits are in each number, and what are the names of the places? Each number has 3 digits. The names of the places are hundreds, tens, and ones. What digit is in the tens place of each number? The 3 in 237 and the 6 in 165 are in the tens place. How many hundreds, tens, and ones are shown for the number 237? There are 2 hundreds, 3 tens, 7 ones. 100 is equal to how many tens? 100 is equal to 10 tens. Subtract the ones.
So they're basically representing the first number with the place value blocks and then taking away the blocks as they subtract the second number. So they had 7 to begin with, and then they took away 5 by Xing them out.
7 is greater than 5, so no regrouping is needed. Subtract the tens. What will happen when you try to take away 6 tens from 3 tens? There are not enough tens. 3 tens is less than 6 tens, so regroup 100 into 10 tens and subtract the tens.
So they took a hundreds block and busted it up into individual tens just like this is just a model of how we actually go and borrow in subtraction and regroup.
Subtract the hundreds. 235 minus 165 equals 72. 7. You can now subtract three-digit numbers with place value blocks.